Hello friends, my name is Allison from Dolphin Insurance School, and I'm here to talk to you about the 215 license and the 220 license. We are sure that many of you have had the opportunity to watch our other videos. This video is part of a series of informative topics we want to pass on to you based on the questions that each of you ask us when you call our insurance school phone number. Now, let's assume you already got the 215 license, health, life, and annuity insurance, or the 220 license, auto, commercial, and all other lines of insurance. That is the general lines license. However, there is an extremely important element that you need to start paying attention to, and if you don't, you are not going to be as successful as you could be. That element is the marketing campaign of your business. For a marketing campaign of any kind, online or physical, you have to develop a whole series of strategies that will allow your business to succeed. Therefore, as we were telling you, this is one of the fundamental elements of a business, and it is the point where sometimes some people find it difficult to go through. For example, some people set up their business from scratch. They rent commercial space and open an agency. They even manage to get the most difficult thing, the appointments with the different insurance companies. Yet in the end, they have no one to sell to. Haven't you heard that this happens very often? Well, they suffer from a direct lack of customers, and they don't know how to find them. That's why a well-thought-out marketing strategy and robust marketing plan are fundamental aspects in any business. If you do not have sound marketing strategies, we are afraid we cannot assure good results. Marketing starts incredibly from the good or bad choice on the name of the business, its logo, the brand's colors, the vision of the company. It takes a whole set of actions that involve the integral design of a brand, and people love branded products. Now, let's think you do take all these aspects into account. You are aware that you need to generate an adequate positioning that will allow you to achieve long-term results in your business. However, there are other pressing short-term aspects like customers. In other words, you cannot wait for the business to directly acquire all the brand positioning it needs and only then start selling. You need something more punctual and faster. We are referring to the flow of customers you get every day. There are different alternatives you can take advantage of. Depending on your budget and how you decide to use it, few and scattered activities, or many at the same time, you should always keep in mind you need to fund fast marketing strategies in order to start receiving immediate responses from customers. Let's talk about those options that you can follow depending on your budget. Your first option should be paid advertising on radio, television, press, even buses. You have surely seen that Miami-Dade buses have advertising. However, this type of advertisement is of course more expensive, yet it is the most effective. Even if it won't generate the amount of leads you want, there's still a powerful thing your business needs. It's positioning. If you have the budget, don't hesitate. Use radio and television for marketing. As a second option, you can pay for ads on the internet. This type of advertisement is way cheaper than radio or television, but it can also get pricey. Depending on what you want to achieve, you will have to comprise a certain budget, which can be a lot of money or just a little. The issue here is, and that's why we warn you, you will obviously need a professional who knows where to channel your money on the internet. The internet is not a magic trick. Ads on the internet require a whole series of strategies implemented by that professional, the person directly in charge, who knows where to place your money and make the best use of it. Another option for marketing your brand can be attending different types of events to make your business popular and obtain leads. There are many events taking place in your area. You could use this type of marketing and rent a booth in some health organization events, insurance company conventions, etc. As long as you can, rent a booth. It can be temporary, you don't need a fixed venue. There you can make yourself known, physically and in person, and you will get leads. Another marketing strategy is to buy those leads. This is one of the fastest methods to offer and sell your services. There are many companies devoted to lead generation, but you should also know the quality of those leads is not always good. Some companies offer their databases, these groups of leads, to many different insurance agencies at the same time. Obviously, as everyone is trying to sell, those leads end up losing quality very fast. You will need to find a company with exclusive leads allowing you to offer direct quotes. The hot call or telemarketing is a very old method that can still give you good results. First, you must ensure the quality of your listings and that your telemarketers are well prepared. When you start a business, you don't have a big database, and this can be one of the cheapest methods to grow. We encourage this method as long as you have good listings. Canvassing your city with flyers is another method of getting lists immediately. It's very cheap. Well, we say it's cheap when you compare it to radio, television, or internet advertising. You can pay a person to hand out flyers. The point here is choosing the right people because there are some bad workers who may throw away your flyers. You have to be vigilant. You need to find trustworthy workers who can hand out the flyers conscientiously so that you can receive calls from a number of clients and quote their insurance. You can create a referral system. Referrals are incredible future clients. They are potential customers because they already know your services. They are referred by a person who already bought insurance from you and recommends your services. You must implement this method and carry it out as a marketing strategy. Basically, when someone gives you a personal referral, an insurance policy is practically sold. The person you were going to call already knows about you. The reference came from someone close to them, from someone they trust, a family member, a trusted friend, and now they know everything about your level of service and the prestige that you have acquired. This way, we have covered the strategies that you can apply from the marketing point of view so that you can be successful in the sales process with your insurance licenses.